part 2 to my second dream that I had. It is 10:52 a.m. It is it is February the 10th, 2023. Okay. So with this dream, I don't know what the fuck you got to do with anything, but I know I was working at Save a Lot, or I just started at Save a Lot. Don't know why. Some of the old people that I know worked there at that time. It was over in Covington, Kentucky, but now that it wasn't where it used to be. It's where it's at now. Now, remind you, I haven't been in there at all, but there was some things going on in this dream that didn't make sense to me. So there was a guy that was flamboyant. You know, he was very flamboyant, and you know, he was gay shit, but he was nice as fuck though. You know, and there was a man. It was a younger guy, older lady that was like the director or of that company in different places or whatever of that area. She was there, and then there was another guy. Now I don't know what role they actually play, but I know as I was coming in, I remember some shit had happened. I was walking out to leave, and I seen it was this person. It was the gay guy's his birthday, apparently, because they had all types of pictures up of him, and he, you know what I'm saying, just like off his Instagram and off of his Facebook, and they wrote on there happy birthday and, you know, congratulations and stuff like that. So it was nice. And it was nice. So I'm trying to think what happened. A situation had ended up happening there where I'm guessing two of the employees, a male and female, was counting. I guess they was counting their drawers down. I don't know, but I left because I wasn't there. So male and female was counting their drawers down, and something to do with the director. I don't know. I guess they drawers came up short, but they was talking to the director, like fast talking, and then they left and ran out. And I seen them running, but I didn't say shit because I ain't got nothing to do with that. Came back. So as I'm leaving, I see the director and the manager, I guess, running to go get them, to bring them back because something happened. So by this time, I'm like, I'm nosy. So for some reason, my phone was in my hand, and I ended up giving my phone to these guys that had performed. Like when I'm saying there was a big bash, it was a big bash. They performed a song for him, for the guy that his birthday. So they putting their stuff back into the car, and apparently I must know him because I gave him my phone to charge up. So the other black dude was like, "Why you ain't answer your phone?" I said, "Shit, I gave my phone there for, you know, for them to charge it up." He was like, "Man, I was trying to call you." I said, "Why? What happened?" So basically, some robbery shit had went down, right? And I'm like, "Oh, damn, I didn't know that." He said, "What you come back for?" I said, "One, to be nosy, and two, to see what my schedule was." So I seen on there that I had to work 11 to... No. I had to work 9 to 11, right? And I'm like, "Damn, that's it?" He was like, "You want me to change it?" "No, I'm good." I worked them early hours. No, it was 9 to 5. So I was like, okay. But I wasn't supposed to be there until 11, so I was supposed to work 11 to 7, but he changed it to 9 to 5. I said, I worked them hours, no problem, whatever. But then as I'm going out, something shifted wrong. And the dream had, something happened. So I don't know. And then something woke me up. So I was like, what the fuck did I dream about? So I don't know if the two people were robbing the place and the band was part of it. I don't know. Like, I didn't get it full details. So now, why did I have this type of dream? I don't know. It was weird. So, all right, I'll holler at y'all later.